In this worksheet, we got a list of column A, and they're formatted like simple numbers here. But we can see the virtual dashes, and these are also so. But the dashes are in the format, not in the content. Similarly, in column C, we have the same general idea. We are trying to figure out whether these three numbers exist in this column A. And you can imagine doing this form of worksheet in different times. The function we use simply try to find a match of these numbers. And we'll be using a function here called match. Lookup value, this is the value I want to look up. Where do you want to look up these values? In column A. And the third parameter is very important. Do you need a less than match, exact match, or a greater than match? Unlike VLOOKUP, where you'll get the previous lower values, you have options to get the lower value, same value, or the upper value. So in this case, because Aadhaar numbers are there, we want an exact match. So I put a 0 here, press enter, it says 7. And I copy this down, I'll get 13 and 29. Now what is 7 here? 7 is actually the row number where your answer is. 13 is the row number where your answer is. And 29 is the row number where your answer is. So this will give you a row number where you have the answer. And you can use these match functions along with other functions in order to convert these numbers into these different values. So it is giving you a position of that cell, and it matches with the row number.